Do you hear that? The farm looks quiet, but not for long. Because when Percy the Pig is around, trouble is never far behind. He's the sneakiest, silliest, naughtiest pig you'll ever meet, and today, he's got his biggest prank plan yet. Every farm has a quiet pig, a sleepy pig, and Percy. Percy wasn't just any pig, he was the mastermind of mischief. One bright morning, Farmer Joe left the gate open. And Percy knew, the game was on. First stop, the chicken coop. With a sprinkle of kernels, Percy turned breakfast into a popcorn party. Next, Percy found the laundry. A sheet here, a snort there, and suddenly, the farm had its very own ghost. And for the grand finale, an apple avalanche. Ducks dove, splashed, and quacked in pure delight. But just when Percy thought he was in the clear, Farmer Joe caught him, red snout. Farmer Joe didn't yell. He just said, if you have the energy to make a mess, you have the energy to clean it up. The animals weren't mad.
He's almost done.
In fact, they thought Percy's silly tricks were the funniest thing to happen all week. Percy tried to look serious, but deep down, he was already thinking about his next big idea. Even Farmer Joe couldn't resist joining the fun. After all, a little laughter keeps the farm happy. As the sun set, Percy realized mischief was more magical when everyone could share the laughter. And so, Percy drifted to sleep, dreaming not of trouble, but of adventures that made the whole farm smile.